What's up, YouTube? Today, as you can see, we are not at a racetrack. We're actually at my lake, Mara Lake in Fenton, Michigan. But it's not to swim or to fish. It's because I bought something. So we haven't been racing for a little bit and I had some money saved up, so I bought something that, you know, it's kind of impractical, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get into it. So some of you may be wondering what I bought, and this is what I purchased recently. So this is a 1990 Kawasaki Js550 stand-up jet ski. It's an absolute ripper. Got a pretty good deal on it, and I couldn't refuse it, so I went and bought it one day, and today is going to be the first day we're going to ride it. So we're just gonna open this, the engine. So 550 cc, 2-stroke, 2-cylinder. So it should rip, should go about 35 to 40. So pretty excited. I've never ridden a stand-up before, so it's gonna be really interesting to see how I do on it. I've only ridden sit-down jet skis like this one, so there are 3 up, and that one, which is the Tricks. So never ridden a stand-up before, so it's gonna be interesting to see how I do on the stand-up compared to a sit-down. So let's get into it. So just took it for the first rip. Thing absolutely hauls. So getting comfortable with it. So we're just gonna keep on ripping and having a good time. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get back to ripping. So just got off for the first time the stand-up. It's absolutely awesome, absolutely rips. Honestly, kind of feels like a sprint car because it just wants to throw you around, but you got to control it. So I think we're gonna ride a couple more times and then get a couple of drone shots. So hope you enjoyed this content, and yeah, let's get back to ripping. So, just got done riding the jet ski for the night. Unfortunately, on my last run, I was doing some tricks and the GoPro fell off in the water somewhere out there, so it's pretty much gone forever. Unfortunately, but luckily we have spare GoPros, and one of our crew members came with the drone, Colton, so we have some good shots there, so which you'll see from this video. But just thanks again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and just want to give everyone a heads up on the racing schedule. As of right now, I am scheduled to race July 24th at Sandusky Speedway with Must See Racing, so we're getting the car ready for that. Just thought I'd post a jet ski video. You know, we have a couple of weeks off, so hopefully we'll get back racing soon, and we're gonna make some changes to the car, and I'm excited for Sandusky. But like I said, thanks again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment if you want to see more jet ski content, and yeah, have a good day.